Hello friends, and welcome back to another video. Today I will be doing my June plan with me in my bullet journal, so let's go ahead and jump right into it. Here I'm going to start off with my cover page, and yes, I did do the other side first, and if you saw by all my community tabs posts, recently I decided to do an ice cream theme for this month, but to start off I decided to put a fun quote over here on the left hand side as usual, and I'm just writing out happy summer. This whole month I will be using Crayola Super Tips, and they are my new favorite markers. I have to say I would definitely recommend trying them out. I love all the colors they come with. There's so many different ones. They're so vibrant and they all work together so nicely. And I've been playing around and practicing with my lettering, and I feel like it's slowly getting better, but honestly, these markers make the lettering so much easier because the tip is so firm, but it also has a really good point. And yeah, just you can keep layering over the markers. And I have an Archer and olive bullet journal, so it can take lots and lots of layers of these markers, which is great. So I finished up that quote, and then now I'm working on the cover page. And this month there's lots and lots of doodles, and the calendar I'm so excited to show you guys because I've always wanted to make one like it, and I finally got around to it. But the outcome is so cute. But here I'm working on the cover page, and for this I'm just doing little stacks of ice cream. So these doodles are relatively easy to do, just like little squished blobs of color, and you just layer them. So I sketched it all out before, as you can see, just to make it easier for myself, and then I just kind of followed those lines. I will also post some still shot pictures of the finished product of this month on my community tab if you want to go look at it for yourself. But overall, this month came out really cute, and I'm very happy with it, and I hope you guys enjoy the video. I know it's been a while since I've done a plan with me, so hopefully you get to really enjoy this one. This is a really fun theme to do because it is so customizable. You can do it so many different ways. For me, I kind of tried to pick a little bit of a fun summery color palette and then make all of my ice creams in those colors. Once I had done that, I decided to pick a bunch of different fun toppings, and that is the funnest part. And it was really fun to create different sprinkles or strawberries on top. There are so many endless options and ideas. I would love to hear your different creative thoughts down in the comments, or if you tried doodling these. I ended up doodling these little ice creams all over my notes or little notebooks afterwards. They're super fun and really easy to doodle, and they turn out so cute. So I'm going to finish up these ice creams, and then I'll move on to the next part. As you can see now, I'm working on the ice cream cones, which were really simple too. Once you break it down into shapes, they're just a bunch of squares and rounded like V shapes or U's. So I tried to alternate, as you can see here, and kind of go with the shapes of the ice creams. I didn't really use any fine liners this month. I really just used the markers and layered them and made them darker in spots to add the different textures or different things that I needed, which the Crayola Super Tips are really great for doing. So I just did the little ice cream cones next, and then I added any other little details I wanted to with darker shades of the markers. Here I'm working on some of the last details of the last two cones, and for this I just took the exact same marker that I used for the base of the cone once I'd gone over it and went over it a second time, and I added that really cool detail without having to use a black pen or anything. Now I'm working on the monthly title, and I'm just going over it with that same light brown marker and just making the bottom of the letters, and then I'll go over the top with the darker marker to make it look like chocolate syrup dripping down the letters. Now that that is almost completed, I can go ahead and move on to the calendar page. Make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss my next video coming out very soon. And yeah, without further ado, let's move on to the calendar. And I'm so excited about this. Probably my favorite page this month. I didn't do a ton of pages, but I did do this one, and I'm super happy with how it turned out. I decided to make each little blob of ice cream a calendar day, basically. So instead of just doing a normal square calendar, each day is a blob of ice cream, and I think it turned out so adorable. I've wanted to try this for so long, and these markers were the perfect opportunity to do that because they were light colored enough that I could outline it and still see each day, but then you could still tell what it was. So I just went over it and I picked 2 colors for the calendar and alternated them, and then I did add cute little cherries and things at the top, as you will see. I went ahead and finished up the cones off camera because I didn't want this video to be forever long, but once I finished up all of the ice creams and little details, I went ahead and wrote June along the side, and then I'm going to go ahead and work on my habit tracker, which I think came out really cute this month, and I'm really happy with it. So we're going to move on to that next after I letter this. And my lettering is slowly getting better. It's taking so much practice, guys, so don't get discouraged with yourself if you're practicing too. This has taken me so long and I go so slow. So over here I have my to-do list and my goals page, and then on the other side I have my habits, just like usual. And for this, I just did this long, kind of drawn out, thin cursive lettering, and then I alternated my calendars with the 2 fun, vibrant colors that I used for my cover page. I'm just working on my last habit tracker box here with my green color, and then I'm going to move on to my bucket list. I just kept this super simple and super easy. Just used my black marker, did that same light black like cursive easy handwriting, and then I just numbered the page, and that is about it. And here we have the flip through. I'm really happy with how it turned out this month. I apologize it's late, but hopefully you get some inspiration. So here we have our cover page, and I love how you can really customize this to whatever you would like. Use your own color palette, and I just feel like there's so many fun opportunities with this theme. And then here we have my calendar, which I am so excited to use and fill out, and I just feel like it gives me the ultimate summer vibes. And then we have my habits and my goals and my to-dos. And then last but not least, we have my bucket list page. And yeah, let me know your guys' thoughts down in the comments about this theme or what you guys did this month. Thank you so much for watching, and thank you so much for all the love and support recently. I really hope you've been enjoying the content, and I'm excited for more to come. I'll try and post as much and as often as possible with the summer schedule. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below, and I'll see you in my next video.